Today I'm going to show you a super easy recipe with just 3 eggs and a tomato, ready in less than 5 minutes. That's both nutritious and delicious. Here at Healthy You, I always bring quick solutions that make your life easier without sacrificing flavor. So go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because this way you'll always have simple, quick, and healthy recipes at hand for your everyday life. For this recipe, you only need 3 eggs, 1 tomato, some basic seasonings you probably already have at home, some green onion, and 50 grams of mozzarella. This combination provides protein, vitamins, and antioxidants that help you start the day full of energy and vitality. First, beat the eggs well with a pinch of salt, pepper, and smoked paprika for a special flavor. Slice the tomato, heat a skillet with a little oil and some butter, and lightly grill the tomato slices. Now, pour the beaten eggs over them, add chopped green onion, cover, and let cook on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. To finish, add the grated mozzarella, cover again, and wait for it to melt, and it's ready. In just a few minutes, you have a balanced breakfast, full of nutrients and filling enough to tackle your busy day. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, as well as vitamins like B12 and minerals that support memory and focus. The tomato provides antioxidants, such as lycopene, which strengthens the immune system and helps protect the heart, its health and flavor all on one plate. You can enjoy this recipe with a slice of whole grain bread, a fresh salad, or even a natural juice, making your meal even more complete. This proves that eating well doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. If this video helped you, check out the material I left in the description. It can help you lose weight without sacrificing flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that completely transform your kitchen routine and help you reach your goals faster than you imagine. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this recipe with your friends. Here at Healthy You, you'll always find practicality and flavor in every recipe. See you in the next video.